Hello guys. Take a look at one of the best tools for crypto owners. Watch a full episode to understand it fully.
Dive into the world of cryptocurrency with the Seed Finder application on a PC equipped with artificial intelligence. Modern technologies have progressed so far that you can simply type in a search at Seed Finder BTC balance checker tool for Windows PCs. Download it and then let the artificial intelligence do all the work for you. Artificial intelligence will handle all the work for you. You just need to have a PC. It will do all the work for you, offering the possibility of remote usage and providing a seamless experience. Launch, open the wallet, withdraw funds. You will find everything you need in the description beneath this video.
AI Seed Phrase Finder and BTC Balance Checker have lost BTC Wallet's recovery. AI Seed Phrase Finder and BTC Balance Checker tool for Windows PC is a unique program that will help you avoid losing access to your Bitcoin wallets. Using advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence techniques, it is able to analyze huge amounts of data to pre-train AI models, generating and searching for mnemonic phrases that allow access to abandoned Bitcoin wallets with non-zero balances. Using the AI Seed Finder tool for Windows PC, you can quickly find an entire 12-word seed phrase for a specific Bitcoin wallet, even if you only know part of such a mnemonic phrase or individual words from which it is supposed to be consists of. The ability to specify the address of a specific Bitcoin wallet to which you want to restore access allows the program to narrow the search area and focus on a specific wallet, which significantly increases the efficiency of the program and reduces the time required to determine the correct mnemonic phrase. The special VIP mode of this program allows it to generate seed phrases in real time using various methods and artificial intelligence algorithms. The program then checks these phrases for validity and, after processing the correct phrases by the checker module, writes mnemonic phrases into a text file that contains information about wallets with a balance greater than 0 in BTC. This mode offers a unique opportunity for all users of the program to massively find valid seed phrases to gain access to Bitcoin wallets, which in turn opens up new financial opportunities for users of the program AI Seed Phrase Finder and BTC Balance Checker tool for PCs with Windows OS. When purchasing any type of license to use the AI Seed Phrase Finder program, the user pays for the rental of computing equipment, which includes a certain set of functions and computing power necessary for the normal operation of the program in the selected tariff plan. Therefore, it is impossible to reduce the cost of using the program indicated in the price list, since this is directly related to the cost of energy. For the same reason, it is impossible to provide a free demo version, but at the same time, anyone who wants to test the performance of the program has the opportunity to buy a license for the light version of the program. Detailed information is available here at i-seedfinder.com. You also have the opportunity to contact the developers through the Telegram channel at AI Seed Finder Balance Checker. Links in the video description down below and in the comment section. Take a look and use the power of crypto and AI.